Hi, I'm Margaret. Welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Diono Radian 5 car seat rear facing. Before installing the Radian rear facing in the car, you need to attach the back pad and the rear facing foot. The back pad goes on the back. These two buttons here pop out, so these two little bits stick out and they go into these holes. The first thing you need to do is grab the tether strap, pull it through that hole, and then you push the button down like that, and that's the back pad in place. We then turn the whole seat over on its back. It's now locked. And the rear facing foot has 4 little hooks that go into these 4 holes, like this. Push it down, and then under here, you slide down this little metal thing. And then before you put the seat in the car, make sure your tether strap has enough length to reach the bracket. So you just press this grey button and pull down to make it a bit longer, so the end with the hook on it is quite long. Just like all other car seats that have a 25 kilo rear facing limit, the Radian 5 also comes with a rear tether strap which needs to be attached to the runner rail of the front seat. So the first thing you do before you can install the Radian 5 in the car is attach this to the front seat rail, and you do that by passing the end with the loop under the rail and then passing the metal bracket through the loop and pulling tight. I have moved the front seat all the way forward to make the rail easier to get to, and you just pass the strap under the rail and the bracket through the loop, and then you pull tight, and that's the Radian 5's tether point. So I'm now ready to put the Radian 5 into the car. So you just put it in with the bottom end first, swivel it round and position it in the car. In some cars, however, you may find that the ceiling is a little bit low, and because the Radian has a very high back, it's sometimes easier to feed it in with the top first and the bottom half second. You now need to make sure that the lips on the rear facing foot fit in the slit between the seat cushion and the backrest. So you push them right in until they sit there really nice and snug. Make sure that you haven't trapped the adjuster strap in here. That needs to be free to move afterwards. You then need to pass the seatbelt through the tunnel in the base of the seat. I always find it easiest to do this with my left foot in the footwell, and then you just pass the buckle tongue through the tunnel. You then grab the buckle tongue with your other hand, pull it through the tunnel and straight into the buckle. You then push the seat with your other hand into the car whilst pulling the belt really tight. This removes all the slack from the lap belt. Maintain that tension and pull it with your right hand here, grab hold of this belt, so this one is really tight, and hold that tension. Then place the second layer of belt on top of the first. Get your red clip, hold it really tight with your right hand, open the clip with the left hand, pass it around both layers of belt and close the clip. The next step is to attach the hook on the end of the tether strap that comes out of the back of the car seat onto the bracket on the end of the strap that we attached to the front seat's rail earlier, and you simply click it on like this until it's tight. You then grab the tether strap and pull out all of the slack until it's tight. And then the last step is to move the front seat back until it's making firm contact with the back of the Radian. So there it is, the Diono Radian 5 installed in the back of a Ford Focus. Thank you for watching, and please come back for more car seat videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!